Do you feel confused to calculate the expiry date of product? You don't have to. Let me show you how you can compute the expiring product whenever you are asked to do that. It becomes easy when you use the Microsoft Excel function. Let's see this together. If you're already having a given date for the production and you have a specific number of months that the product will last for, maybe in the outlet, be it in FMCG or any other company that has to do with perishable goods, you just need to use your function EDATE. I interpret it as expiring date in my own interpretation. So immediately we click on the EDATE function. You can click on the f of x to show you the function argument so that you can interpret better. So the first thing there is the start date, which is the date of production. And the next one is the month. So how many months is it meant to last? So it's going to last for 9 months, as you see in this example. Boom, I have it. So if you have a production at 31st of January 2021, by the 9th month is going to be the 31st of October 2021. And of course, you can agree with me if you count it: February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. So that will be at the end of the month of October. The same thing with when you have a product. Using EDATE again, you click on the production date and how many months will it spend, which is 3 months, and you have it. If the 1st of February is the production date and it's meant to last for 3 months, the expiring date will be the 1st of May 2021. So you can drag down to repeat the same. But what if you have some exceptional cases, like it is not a month, we have days. Sometimes we can have weeks. So if you're having a product with product production date of 31st of January, using EDATE, we're going to have the production time, which is the start time, and the number of months. So in this case, you might not be able to use this function because we have it in days, not in months, and the function argument mentioned month. And be careful, you can't use decimal. You could have had the thought that, oh, 15 days, I should be able to convert 15 days to months now in fraction. And of course, conventionally 30 days make 1 month. But we have some months that are 31. So there's a kind of controversy when it comes to using 30 or 31 in that case. So in that case, what you just need to do is to reference the date and you add the number of days. So if the 31st of January is the production date, so in 15 days, that will be in the 15th of February 2021. What if a product is produced on 1st of February 2021 and you have it as a product that will expire at the end of that month? So in that case, you're using another formula called EO month, end of month. EO month, I interpret it as end of month. So if the beginning of the month is the 1st February 2021, instead of using any figure under this month, you put 0 and you press enter. So you can all agree with me that the month of February in the year 2021 ends at 28 because it's not a leap year. So in that case, we're having 28 February as end of the month. Let's move forward also. We want to know the expiry date for production date 17th May 2021 in 3 months. That's 3 under the month and you press enter. That's 17th of June. And finally, we have EDATE 17th the 18th of March 2021, a year. So when you have a year expiring date, that's 12 months. So it works. And that will be the 18th March 2022, which is exactly a year. 18th March 2021 to 18th March 2022 is a year difference, which is 12 months. I hope you have learned something here. Anytime you are trying to compute the expiring date of product, please quickly use your Excel function and you will get the best out of it. And for people in HR, you can also use this for probation period computation. Thank you for watching and bye for now.